Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ada about LCM and how to find LCM of two or more numbers. Now, what does LCM mean? LCM simply means lowest, pardon me, lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. Now, just like the words you can see there. Okay, to find the LCM of a group of numbers, it simply means you should find the multiple which is common among the numbers and also the lowest. This may not make lots of sense to you, I understand. So I'm going to be using straight away an example. Supposing I want to find the LCM of 3 and 6. So we said that the most important thing is the multiples of the numbers. So I'm going to find the multiples of 3. Okay, this is obviously not a video on multiples, so I'm assuming that you already know your multiples. So what are the multiples of 3? We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Let's stop here. Okay, so perhaps you're wondering, what are these numbers? They are multiples of 3. I mean, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 7 is 21. So I guess that would help us now as we try to get our multiples of 6. So what is 6 times 1? 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 7, 42. So now we've gotten that thing that I said is the most important about LCM, which is what? The multiple of the numbers that we were asked to find their LCM. So the multiples of up to the 7th multiple are what we have here written down. And then we now go to the next important thing, which is the common. So let's see, what are the common multiples of 3 and 6? I mean, what comes to your mind when you hear common? What's common between me and you? Perhaps what I have and what you have. So what's that thing that is common between the multiples of 3 and the multiples of 6? So let's see the common numbers. You have 3 as one of the multiples of 3, and there's no 3 here. We have 6 here and we have 6 here. So number one common multiple is 6. I could come down here and quickly write that and write common multiple of 3 and 6 equals number 1. We've gotten 6. So what other number is common? There's 9 here. There's no 9 here. There's 12. And there's 12. So another common multiple has to be 12. So I'll write that here. I'll just write that here. And then there's 15 here. But there's no 15 here. So it's not a common multiple. There's 18 here. And of course, there's 18. It's the lowest common multiple. It leads me to the question, if these are the common multiples, which number among 6, 12, and 18 is the lowest? And what would your answer be? Definitely 6. Therefore, that gives me an answer right away that the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Does that make any sense? I do hope that this helps you. And if it did, please click on like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new.